What's up friends, and welcome again to this video. I will show you step by step how to track your order in H&M. So guys, this is a platform you can purchase items online shopping through this platform. So guys, if you want to track your order, for example, you have an order and you will get all your details, go to Google and search for H&M track order, and then scroll down till find this website guys, H&M tracking. You will see this website, and then guys, this is official website. As I say, if you want to track your order guys, just write your tracking number here, your unique tracking number that come from this order, if you for example this order, and then click track per your parcel. So guys, this is how you can do it. It's two simple steps. Just write your tracking number and then you will get your order details. This is how you can do guys. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question friends, down below in the comments and I will answer your question as soon as possible. Keep watching guys.